The concept of time travel has captivated human imagination for centuries, weaving its way through the fabric of literature, film, and philosophical discourse. From H.G. Wells's The Time Machine to the intricate narratives of modern cinematic masterpieces like Interstellar, the allure of traversing the continuum of time has sparked curiosity and debate. But beneath the layers of fiction and speculation lies a fundamental question. Is time travel theoretically possible? To explore this question, we must delve into the realms of physics, philosophy, and the very nature of time itself. At its core, time travel is the idea of moving between different points in time, akin to how we navigate through space. The notion of time as a dimension, much like the three spatial dimensions we are familiar with, is a relatively modern development in physics. In classical mechanics, time was viewed as a constant, a uniform flow that ticked away independently of the events occurring within it. However, the advent of Albert Einstein's theories of relativity revolutionized this understanding, introducing the concept of space-time, a four-dimensional continuum where time and space are interwoven. Einstein's special relativity posits that time is not an absolute entity, but is relative to the observer's frame of reference. This means that time can dilate or stretch depending on the velocity at which an object moves. For instance, as an object approaches the speed of light, time for that object slows down relative to a stationary observer. This phenomenon has been experimentally verified with precise atomic clocks placed on fast-moving jets, confirming that time indeed behaves differently under varying conditions. In this sense, we can assert that a form of time travel occurs at high speeds, albeit only into the future. A one-way ticket, so to speak. General relativity further complicates our understanding of time by introducing the concept of gravity. According to Einstein, massive objects like planets and stars warp the fabric of space-time around them. This warping affects the passage of time. The stronger the gravitational field, the slower time moves. This means that someone living on a planet with a stronger gravitational pull would age more slowly than someone on a less massive planet. Thus, theoretically, if one could find a way to navigate through these gravitational fields, one could experience time differently, effectively traveling into the future. However, the idea of traveling backward in time poses a more complex challenge. Theoretical physicists have proposed several models and concepts that might allow for backward time travel, but each comes with its own set of paradoxes and complications. One of the most famous of these is the concept of a wormhole, a hypothetical tunnel-like structure in space-time that connects two separate points, potentially allowing for instantaneous travel between them. If such a wormhole could be stabilized and manipulated, it might offer a pathway to the past. Yet the stability of wormholes is a contentious topic. They would require exotic matter with negative energy density to keep them open, a substance that has yet to be discovered or created. Another intriguing idea is the concept of closed time-like curves, which are solutions to the equations of general relativity. These curves allow for paths through space-time that loop back on themselves, theoretically enabling an object to return to its own past. However, closed time-like curves introduce a plethora of logical paradoxes, the most famous being the grandfather paradox. This paradox raises the question of what would happen if a time traveler were to go back in time and prevent their own grandfather from meeting their grandmother. If the grandfather never existed, how could the time traveler be born in the first place? Such contradictions challenge our understanding of causality and the linear progression of time. Philosophers have long debated the implications of time travel on free will and determinism. If the past can be altered, does that not undermine the very notion of free will? Alternatively, if the past is immutable and any attempt to change it is doomed to fail, then what does that say about our understanding of choice and consequence? The interplay between time travel and these philosophical questions adds another layer of complexity to the discussion. Theoretical physicist Kip Thorne, who played a pivotal role in the scientific foundation of Interstellar, has suggested that while time travel may be theoretically possible, it would require conditions and technologies far beyond our current capabilities. The manipulation of space-time, the creation of stable wormholes, and the harnessing of exotic matter are all concepts that remain firmly in the realm of speculation. Moreover, the energy requirements for such endeavors would be astronomical, making practical time travel an unlikely prospect in the foreseeable future. Despite these challenges, The exploration of time travel continues to inspire scientific inquiry and imaginative storytelling. Theoretical models and equations are constantly being tested and refined, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the universe. Quantum mechanics, with its inherent uncertainties and peculiarities, has also entered the conversation. Some interpretations of quantum mechanics suggest that time may not be as linear as we perceive it, opening up new avenues for exploring the nature of time itself. Moreover, the implications of time travel extend beyond the realm of science and philosophy. They touch on our understanding of history, memory, and identity. If one could travel to the past, how would that alter our perception of history? Would it create alternate timelines, or would the act of observing the past inherently change it? These questions resonate deeply as they challenge our understanding of who we are and how we relate to the passage of time. In the realm of popular culture, time travel serves as a narrative device that allows for exploration of themes such as regret, redemption, and the consequences of our actions. Films like Back to the Future and The Terminator use time travel to examine the impact of choices across generations, while series like Doctor Who explore the moral dilemmas faced by those who navigate the complexities of time. These stories resonate because they tap into our deepest fears and desires, our longing to alter the past, to correct mistakes, and to understand the future. As we consider the theoretical possibilities of time travel, we must also confront the limitations of our current understanding. The laws of physics, as we know them, place constraints on what is possible, and the pursuit of time travel raises profound questions about the nature of reality itself. Is time a linear progression, or is it a more complex tapestry of events and experiences? Are we bound by the constraints of causality, or is there a deeper, more intricate relationship between time and existence? The exploration of time travel, both theoretical and fictional, serves as a mirror reflecting our hopes, fears, and aspirations. It invites us to ponder our place in the universe and the nature of our existence. While the scientific community continues to investigate the mysteries of time, the philosophical implications of time travel challenge us to reconsider our understanding of reality, choice, and the human experience. In conclusion, while the theoretical foundations of time travel offer tantalizing possibilities, the practical implementation remains elusive. The intricacies of space-time, the challenges of causality, and the philosophical implications present formidable obstacles to our understanding. Yet the quest for knowledge and understanding continues to drive humanity forward, inspiring both scientists and storytellers to explore the boundaries of what is possible. Whether time travel remains a distant dream or becomes a reality in the future, the journey of exploration itself enriches our understanding of time and our place within it. As we navigate the currents of time, we are reminded of the profound mysteries that lie ahead, waiting to be uncovered.